The evolution of Lambeau Field. Lambeau Field, the legendary home of the Green Bay Packers, has a story as rich as the team itself. It first opened in 1957 as City Stadium, with room for just over 32,000 fans. In 1965, it was renamed Lambeau Field to honor team founder Curly Lambeau. Over the decades, the stadium grew along with its loyal fan base. By the late 1990s, Lambeau was due for a transformation. A massive renovation project began in 2000, adding modern concourses, new luxury suites, and expanded seating, all while preserving its classic charm and open-air feel. The upgrades didn't stop there. In 2013, another expansion added over 7,000 seats and giant video boards, making Lambeau one of the largest stadiums in the NFL. And just outside, the Titletown District brought new life to the area, with restaurants, parks, and year-round attractions celebrating Green Bay's football heritage. Today, Lambeau Field stands as a perfect blend of history and innovation. Not just a stadium, but a symbol of pride, tradition, and the enduring spirit of Packers fans everywhere.